Hi everyone, and welcome to my online video tutorial on how to create your own website. This step-by-step guide will help you to create your own website from the comfort of your home with no need for any additional knowledge or IT skills other than your normal day-to-day use of internet. So if you have a little time to spare, watch this video while I'll show you how to create your own website. In addition, I will provide you with the discount for your hosting. Before we proceed to creating the website, I'd like to take a minute to explain the process and requirements for your website. In order to create a new website, you will need domain name, the actual website, and the hosting provider. The way I like to explain this is to imagine your house. The land on which your house is built on is hosting. And basically what that is, web hosts are companies that rent out their servers to host your website on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, anyone can access it by typing in your web address in their web browser. And when they do this, their device will connect to the server your website is hosted on. Your house is the actual website. It's just a page or number of pages on the web that contains all your data, all your information, everything they will put on your website. And your street address is your domain name. For example, google.com, wikipedia.org, bbc.co.uk. Okay, now that all explained, we can move on to purchasing our hosting and creating a website. If you scroll down to this video description and click on Bluehost discount link, this will take you to Bluehost web page with discount already applied. And please note that if you decide that is not suitable for you for whatever reason, you can cancel your subscription and get your money back. Normally you have 30 days to cancel to receive full refund, but as you can see, currently these terms are extended to 60 days. Click on Get Started and choose your plan. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to choose Basic Plan, which is the cheapest option, and it comes with one website, 50 GB storage, and free domain. You can read through all available plans and decide which is more suitable for you. Click Select. Right, next we will set up your domain. Choose your domain. Click Next. Now at this point I will show you how to apply further discount to the one you already have. If you move your mouse pointer as if you want to close the page, you will get an additional special sign-up offer. All you want to do is just to claim savings. As you can see, this is now changed accordingly, and Bluehost automatically will apply the cheapest option, which comes with the longest period of hosting. Make sure you choose the one that suits your needs. I'm going to select 12 months, and I'm going to untick all the package extras as none of them are really essentials for your website. Well, as you can see, with the tax added, the yearly amount per your website hosting, including free domain, works out for £57.56. Right, next you want to fill in your information. Scroll down to payment. You can pay by card or click on see more payment options to check out with PayPal. Tick terms and conditions and hit submit. Payment process is complete. It will take you to this page, which will confirm your purchase was a success, and you will receive the confirmation email. Go to your email, and you should have the verification email from Bluehost just to activate through your email address. Just hit on verify your email. It will just verify that you successfully confirmed your email account. So you want to go back to the page that you were on and hit create an account. You just want to come up with your password. This is obviously part you want to make a note of it, because this is the password you're going to be using every time you log into Bluehost and to gain access to your website. Right, once that's chosen, again, terms and condition tick and hit create account. Right, so your Bluehost account is ready. Now you can log in. Right, so this is going to be your starting page with your domain. You can enter your email if you want to, but as a default, it will put your domain. So all you want to do, just retype your password. Once you logged in, it will give you the creation website, different steps. You don't need any of that because we're going to be doing it all later using WordPress. So at this stage, you're just going to skip this step. And again, and again, and there you are. You've successfully set up your site and installed WordPress. You've got your site confirmed, and in here normally it would show you the domain you've created, but if you're running it for the first time, as you can see, you'll have this just generated domain. That's because you haven't launched your site yet. Click on launch my site and then go back to the Bluehost portal and refresh the page. Your domain has been updated to the one you've created, and this bar is no longer launch my site, it's just view my site. And just bear in mind, this is a brand new site and brand new domain, so if this is still not showing as it should, just log out of the Bluehost and log back in again. Okay, we can now start building our website with WordPress. So you can see in the top right hand corner there is a WordPress icon, and this is the one we're going to be using to build our site. Okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard, and this is where you're going to be doing all your background work and creating your website. Adding medias, pages, posts. It has this navigation menu on the left hand side, which have loads of options, and we will cover some of them while creating the website. To access your site, click on home button in the top left corner, and it will take you to your website. WordPress applied a very basic theme with very little information, and we will be customizing it to our liking. If you click back on the dashboard icon, it will take you back to the WordPress dashboard. So first thing you want to do is to scroll down to the appearance and choose themes. Then scroll down to the bottom of the themes listing and click Add New Theme. Now there's a lot of themes you can choose from. We're gonna search for the themes, highlight the popular ones, and then you want to type Hestia. And click Install. Once installed, click Activate. And click on a home page in the top left corner. Okay, so the theme has been applied and we can start customizing it to our liking. Back to dashboard. And now we're going to add some pages. So what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down to pages, click Add New. I'm going to call it Tutorials. I'm going to leave it blank because we're going to come back and I'll show you how to edit them later on. You want to click Publish and Publish again. Back to dashboard. We're going to add another page. I'm going to call it Downloads. And again, Publish. Publish again. Same again. Add New. This one I'm going to call About. And Publish. Right, now if we're going to view the website, as you can see, we still only have home and blog pages. That's because we need to apply these new pages and add them in our menu. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to the dashboard. We're going to scroll down to Appearance and we're going to choose Menus. We already have top menu selected. What we want to do, we want to add the pages we've just created. So you can find them on the left hand side. You can see most recent, you can view all of them, or you can search for the pages. We're just going to go for most recent because that will show you the ones you just created. So we're going to add About, Downloads and Tutorials. So you click Add to Menus. If you want to reshuffle them in any particular order, you just want to click on the particular page and drag it up or down. If you want to make it a sub-item, just move it to the right and it will make that page the sub-item on the page that's listed above. So I'm just going to leave them as complete pages. I'm just going to move Tutorials and Downloads and leave it as it is. And then once you've done that, you can see the primary menu ticked. You want to click Save Menu. So now if we open our website, and I'm going to open it in another tab, what it will do, so it will let me to keep my dashboard open and apply any modification, and then I can just refresh the website and to see all the changes applied. So as you can see, our pages has been added to our home menu. Okay, so now the page is added, we can work on our footer menu. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see there are some sample pages that be added by the theme, and we are going to modify it in the same way we did our top menu. So likewise, we're going to go back to the dashboard and add some pages. Okay, so now the pages are added, we can add them to our footer menu. Go back to dashboard, menus, but this time we're going to apply changes to our footer menu. From edit menu section, choose our footer menu and click select. Right, now we're going to remove the existing pages from there, and to do that just click on the drop down button, click remove, and we're going to add the newly created ones. We're going to add terms and conditions, cookie policy, and privacy policy. We're going to click add to menu. I'm going to change them around. Make sure footer menu is ticked and click on save menu. Now refresh your website and the footer menu has been updated with the new pages added. Now we have our pages added, we can customize our home page. Scroll all the way up to the top and click on customize in the left hand corner. This will bring up a navigation pane on the left hand side with loads of different options which you are going to be using to customize your page. On the bottom of that navigation pane you will have a height control option, which when you click you'll be able to see your page on the full screen, and you can bring it back to carry on with your customization. You will also have an option to see your page on the different devices: tablet, phone, and back to desktop view. To customize any section within the page, click on the blue pencil and it will take you to that particular section. If you would like to hide any of the section, click on the eye icon in the left hand corner of that section and it will disappear. If you would like to bring them back, select front page selections and untick disable section tick from that section. Okay, now we're going to customize the big title section. Click on the pen in the left hand corner and add your site title in the site title section. Next, click on the pen next to the main title section. Change your title that's relevant to your website. You can link this button to any page that you would like by adding the URL link. Since this is a how-to website, I'm going to add this button to my tutorials page. Click publish to save changes, and we can now change the background and the layout of the big title section. And to do that, click on change image. Then you can change to any image that you would like and that's saved on your computer. If you click on the drop down menu where it says image, it will give you another option called parallax. And what it would do, it has this cool feature that will let you put 2 layers of the image and will give this floating background effect. So to do that, select first layer image, and then add the same image to the second layer. And there you are. You will have this floating background effect by using a still image. click on Extra, and this is where you can change your layout of the big title section. So as you can see, at the minute, the layout is set to centered. I'm just going to change it to the left-hand side and click Publish to save changes. To change color of the button, click on Appearance Setting, Colors, and then choose the colors that you'd like to change it to. You can click hide controls now and again throughout the customization process, just to make sure that you are happy with the changes applied and to view the website and the full screen. Okay, next we're just going to work our way down. We're just going to click on the pen within the features option. Then you can change the content that is relevant to your website. You can change the content of the features on the bottom of this section by clicking on each feature and modifying it within that section. You can also add a new feature if you'd like. You can also remove it if you change your mind. So from this point onward, the customization process is pretty much the same. Therefore, I'm not going to cover every single section. I'm just going to fast forward record the outstanding amendments of the homepage. Okay, so now our homepage is complete. I'm going to show you how to edit the pages that we've added earlier. And to do that, we need to close down the customization menu we've used to amend that homepage. First, I'm going to show you how to edit and add text to our pages. Scroll down to our footer menu and choose Terms and Conditions. Click on Edit Page. You can see you've got a different layouts proposed by the theme. We're going to skip here and stick with the default layout. Click on the plus that says Add Block and choose the paragraph. Now you can add any text that you like. You can type it, you can copy and paste. On the right hand side, you can choose the size of your text. You can apply drop cap if you'd like to. You also have a different color settings and background color. I'm just going to keep everything as a default and paste some terms and conditions that I have prepared. These are just a template terms and conditions just for the purpose of this tutorial. Obviously, if you are going to add any terms and conditions, make sure that they are relevant to your website. Click on document on the right hand side and you can change the background image of the page. Once that's done, you can preview the page to make sure you are happy with the changes applied. And if you are happy, just click update. Now I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube videos to our pages. Click on tutorials and click on edit page. First, we are going to change the background image just to keep in line with the pattern of the previous pages and the home page. We're going to skip the proposed layout and click on plus. This time we are going to choose YouTube. Then we are going to copy and paste the YouTube video we would like to add to our website. You can still change the alignment if you'd like. I'm just going to keep it aligned to the center. Again, you can preview. And update the page if you're happy with the changes. Now I'm going to show you how to allow your viewers to be able to download the files that you would like to share from your website. Click on Downloads, Edit Page, skip the layout, click on plus, but this time we're going to scroll down and click on Common Blocks and choose File. Now, as you can see, anyone can download the file that you chose to share. Now, at last, I would like to show you how to edit the blog page. The blog page is slightly different from the other pages that we've amended earlier. If you click on Edit Page, this will take you to the WordPress dashboard instead of your normal customization layout that you've seen in previous pages editing. You can change the background on the right hand side as we did with all the pages. But if you'd like to add any content or posts, you'd have to do it through the dashboard and through the posts section. Once post is created, it will appear in your blog. And there you are. We've created a brand new website from scratch, including adding pages, texts, importing media and data, as well as creating a fully interactive homepage. I hope this guide will help you to achieve your goals, and I will see you in my next video.